Welcome back everyone to another episode of Cooking with JJ. In this week's episode, we're making a kosher for Passover meal. And the star of the show is going to be the jackfruit. We're making vegan jackfruit wings with a barbecue sauce. Super simple meal to put together. So I give you some ideas of what you can pair it with, and you can put your own spin on the sides and pair it with whatever you like, but I'm showing you some delicious options. I'm really excited to get started on this simple recipe and enjoy it in the end. So without further ado, let's head over to the kitchen and get cooking!
First of all, I have two 540-gram cans of young jackfruit in the brine. We're going to rinse it all off and keep our pieces whole. I'm adding 1.5 teaspoons of Italian seasoning to this plate, along with some Himalayan pink salt and freshly ground black pepper. I'm adding 1/2 cup of our finely ground matzah meal. Blend it up evenly. And I'm adding some extra oregano, about 1/2 teaspoon's worth. Now we're going to evenly coat our wet jackfruit with our breading. It's not sopping wet, just wet enough. Our jackfruit is fully coated, so we'll place the pieces on a parchment-lined baking sheet. Leave some space in between. Now we're brushing some grapeseed oil on our pieces. Now we'll place it in the oven at 425 Fahrenheit for 25 to 30 minutes, flipping halfway through. We want to achieve the crispiness on the outside and the tenderness on the inside. Now our jackfruit is all cooked up. Pour your favorite barbecue sauce into a bowl and coat your jackfruit pieces. Now it's plating time. And we're pairing this with our curry potato salad and our tomato hearts of palm skewers, with fresh basil, of course.
It's that time again, everyone. We get to try our delicious jackfruit wings, or vegan wings with our barbecue sauce. A simple meal that you can make for Passover. Just use your matzah meal, matzah cake meal. Nice texture, nice flavor. We got the sweet, tangy. We got a sweetness, tanginess, some smokiness. Wonderful. And I have the curry potato salad here. Tune in next week to find out how to make that recipe. We got our grape tomatoes with basil and hearts of palm. There you have it, everyone, a simple, delicious, kosher for Passover meal that you can enjoy not just during Passover, but also if you're serving gluten-free individuals or just for fun. So remember, if you like this video in any way, shape, or form, hit that thumbs up button, subscribe to my channel, and hit that little bell notification icon so you don't miss a single video. There's gonna be a new video popping up every Monday at 12 noon Eastern, so you don't wanna miss it. Until next time, this is JJ signing off, keeping things interesting in my kitchen and in yours. Bon appetit.